everybody, welcome back to another 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to apply your Amazon reward points at checkout. So if you have like a Chase Prime credit card or a Prime store card where you get 5% cash back on every purchase, they're awesome cards to have. You get points and you can apply those points as a dollar amount to purchases that you make on Amazon to help you save money. So I'm going to show you how to apply those to purchases coming up.
All right, everyone, we're currently on my mobile device. So of course, to make sure that you have the Amazon shopping app installed and you're logged into the account that you wish to apply the credit for. Now I'm going to be purchasing a new virtual reality headset that I've been looking at for a little bit, the Oculus Quest 3. So for demonstrational purposes, this is what I'm going to be purchasing and using the credit for. So I'm going to be clicking into this one here. This is the one I want. So once you find the product that you want, you're simply going to want to press add to cart to add it to your cart. Of course, I'm not going to buy any added warranty. Then at the bottom here, go into your cart. Once that pops up, you're going to select proceed to checkout. Now this is where a lot of people get confused because they don't know how to add the reward points. Now down here where it says paying with Amazon store card, or it might say your credit card number or your debit card, you're going to want to select change payment method. And this will bring up all your payment cards on file for your Amazon account. So as you can see, we have my Amazon store card selected here. This is what I get 5% back on every purchase. And as you see, I was lucky enough to get some Prime reward points applied already. I have $18.88. All you have to do is toggle on this little toggle switch here, and then all you have to do is select place your order, and that's all there is to it. If you're really thinking about getting one of these Prime store cards, they're really amazing. You get points, I think, every 2 days after the item is shipped. It's already applied to your account. You don't have to wait 30 days like you will on other credit cards to get reward points. You get them really fast with Amazon. So hope you found this video informative, and we'll see you in the next video.